up? I'm here with another wig from Nadula here today. Now, as you can see, this is still saying Merry Christmas, and by this time, by you're seeing this, January is over. But I guess probably they had a lot of leftover Merry Christmas boxes. I'm not sure. So when I open the box, this is the wig. I'm seeing the wig first. Before I look at it, let's see what we got in today's package. So got extra elastic band, and I got another headscarf, and I also got 2 wig caps. That's everything that came in today's package. Some Brazilian hair, and this is 22 inches long. And guys, I know I'm about to love this. I just know it. Guys, this is a wig, and I'm so excited for this today. Why? I've never gotten a wig with this color, like color this way, I should say. Like, as you can see, it's a brown wig, but then it has these blonde streaks, like at the lower portion on either side. This is about to be so lit. Like, it's so silky straight out of the package. I'm going to put all the specifications in the description box. This is a construction of the wig. Pretty standard. Has 3 combs in total on the inside and adjustable straps. Guys, I just know this is gonna be so good already. I'll definitely have to do something like this. Anyway, I'm just so excited about the way they colored this. I've never really had a brown wig like this before. I had a brown one recently, but it wasn't this. This is a darker browning. So, you guys know the drill. Today I'm using Got to Be for this install. Not glue. That's so nice. I should probably do a pull back. Look right there, so you guys can see the... Oh, and this is definitely pre-plucked. Ooh, I love the hairline, how it's looking. Okay. Nadula, I'm not gonna lie, Nadula wigs have been improving. The quality of this is like, first one was pretty standard, but this right here, so them things just like get top tier, you know. Like, I like this, I really do.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See you move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping pocket, swola, 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 swola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola.
Look at how good that looks, guys. No baby hairs are made as yet. So fully recommend this if you're going for that look. Completely pulled back, no baby hairs. It just looks so good. It looks natural. Like, you don't need to pluck this anymore. I did not pluck it anymore. It's really good. But today, my last video, I did not do any baby hairs. Today I want a little edge action. I'm not gonna do a lot though. I'm really not going to do a lot. Since lately I kind of just stick to like the little swoops, and that's pretty much it. So that's all I'm gonna do today. I don't do the baby hairs like straight across that much anymore. Just here and there, like when I'm feeling really extra.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola.
Yes. I don't need no more swoops. I really don't need no more swoops, guys. That's all the swoops I need right there. That looks so good. I went ahead and used my hot comb to further lay the hair, and I had the elastic band around the edges while I was doing that.
Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola.
I'm actually going to just run through my flat iron go through this with my flat iron now. It's already so straight and I haven't like straightened it with my flat iron. So cool.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola.
Guys, I'm all finished. I got glammed and I changed because I'm going to go out to eat. So if you want to keep up with me, go ahead and follow my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. I can't say where I ended up going for the evening. But guys, usually, no, it just come to me. Usually, this portion I feel like would be higher. So that's why it felt so different to me. But I love the placement of the streak, the blonde streak. It's really nice. So shout out to Nadula. So I'm gonna be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box if you guys are interested. I love the length of this. It's really nice. It's not too long and it's not too short, but I feel like this would be a really cute bob. So you could always go ahead and get it like a shorter length if that's what you want. As I said before, I showed you, you don't need edges. Like, you don't need to do, you know, no baby hairs or anything. It's very minimal what I did too, because I love the hairline. It's really, really nice and it's really flowy. Like, the quality of these wigs since recently, like, they're taking them up to another level. They've always been good, but they're taking them up to another level, and I love that. Improvement, improvement, improvement. So that's just really good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about this wig down below in the comments. Don't forget to drop your suggestions for other videos, and yeah. That's pretty much it. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Once I hit my next milestone, you guys know that the giveaway is coming. Also, that goes for my vlog channel. I'm right there. I'm so close to 100k, and yes, I am still giving away the $800 camera, so vlog camera that is. So you're missing out if you're not subscribed and if you're not watching, okay? But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up with yourself. Bye.
Swoops.